Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to change font on Facebook post text. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're gonna open the Facebook application. Once you've opened, let's say you're gonna create a post here on your account. Let's tap on create post and type in sample post. And as you can see, once you've typed it in, it will be on the default font that Facebook is using. And to change font, all you have to do is to copy the line, or if you want the whole post, to copy it. Once you copy or cut, you can also cut, by the way. All you have to do is to go back and head to your browser and type in LingoJam.com. And once you've typed in LingoJam.com, all you have to do is to paste the one that you've copied or the post that you've copied. As you can see, there are different fonts that you can use here. As for LingoJam is a fancy text generator. It is a translator to convert normal text to fancy text, which you can copy and paste. All you have to do is to select the font that you'd like. Let's say I'm gonna be using this one, and tap and hold, and then a prompt will show in which you can translate, cut, copy, or paste. Of course, we're gonna copy or cut. Once you've done that, you're gonna go back again to your home and open your Facebook application to replace, or if you got the post or the one that you created earlier won't be there. But if you copy, you need to delete what's written. All you have to do is to tap and hold, and you will see the prompt again in which you can paste. Let's go ahead and tap it. And as you can see, the font that we've copied earlier is now here on Facebook. And once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on post. Let's go ahead and tap it. And as you can see, the post is now there. If it loads or your post has been overrun by other posts, all you have to do is to go to your profile to check. As you can see, the post is there, and the font that we've copied earlier is also there. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.